you must have already studied about trigonometric ratios. Now, some of the major values of trigonometric ratios can be summed up in a table. So let's see what that table looks like. So this is the table for trigonometric ratios. So you can simply see this table and get the values for different degrees. For example, sine 0 degrees is 0 and tan 45 degrees is 1. Similarly, you can get values for all these degrees: 0 degree, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. And on this side we have sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot. Now the best way is to memorize this table. So if you memorize this table, then if you get numericals related to trigonometric ratios, you can quickly substitute the values. Now there is a small trick which can also be applied to write this table. How can we do that? Let's see. So let's start with sine. Now we have values for sine 0 degree, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. So for sine 0 degrees, what can we write? We can write root 0 by 4. So for sine 0 degrees, we can write root 0 by 4. Similarly, for sine 30 degrees, we can write root 1 by 4. For 45 degrees, we can write root 2 by 4. For 60, it will be root 3 by 4. And for 90 degrees, it will be root 4 by 4. So we are writing root with denominator 4 and numerator is gradually increasing by 1. So root 0 by 4, root 1 by 4, root 2 by 4, root 3 by 4 and root 4 by 4. Now if we simplify these fractions, what do we get? Root 0 by 4. Now 0 by 4 will be 0, right? So root of 0 is always 0. So this is nothing but 0. Now what about sine 30 degrees? Root 1 by 4. Now root of 1 is always 1 and root of 4 is 2, right? So we can write this as 1 by 2. Now let's see sine 45 degrees. So root 2 by 4. Now root 2 is again a decimal number. So we will keep it as root 2 and root of 4 will be 2, right? So we can write this as root 2 by 2. Now we can further simplify it. Root 2 into root 2 is 2, right? Because this is square root of 2. So if we multiply square root of 2 with square root of 2, we get 2. So root 2 into root 2 is 2. So this can be written as 1 by root 2. Now let's move to sine 60 degrees. So we have root 3 by 4. Again root 3 will be a decimal number. So we'll leave it as it is and root of 4 is 2. So this will be root 3 by 2. Now let's come to sine 90 degrees. Root 4 by 4. 4 by 4 is 1 and root of 1 is 1 itself. So this can be written as 1. So now we have the values. Sine 0 degrees is 0. Sine 30 degrees is 1 by 2. Sine 45 degrees is 1 by root 2. Sine 60 degrees is root 3 by 2. And sine 90 degrees is 1. So now we fill these values in the table. Now once you have got sine, you can easily find all the other values in the table. So let's see how. So we already have these values for the sine. Now for cos, we simply write these values in reverse order. So we'll start from 1. So 1 is the last number in sine. So sine 90 degrees is 1. So cos 0 degree will be 1. After 1 we have root 3 by 2. So next we'll have root 3 by 2. Then we have 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2. Next we have 1 by 2. So we'll write 1 by 2 here. And then we have 0. So 0 will come here. So if we have the values of sine, we can write the values of cos. So cos is complete. Now let's come to tan. Now tan is nothing but sine theta by cos theta. So tan 0 degree will be sine 0 degree by cos 0 degree. So tan 0 degree will be 0 by 1. Now 0 by any number is 0 itself. So this is 0. Now for tan 30 degrees we have 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2, or we can write it as 1 by 2 into 2 by root 3. Now 2 and 2 will get cancelled and we'll have 1 by root 3. Now let's come to tan 45 degrees. So it will be 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2. So if a number is divided by itself, we always get 1 as the answer. Now for tan 60 degrees, root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2, which is root 3 by 2 into 2 by 1. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled and we'll have root 3. Now let's come to tan 90 degrees. It will be 1 by 0. Now in mathematics, we do not have any defined answer for this division. That is, whenever we divide any number with 0, it is undefined. So the value of tan 90 degrees is also undefined. So now we have got the values of tan. Next, let's come to cosec. Now cosec is simply the inverse of sine. That is, if you have sine 0 degrees, then cosec will be 1 by 0. Now again, 1 by 0, that is 1 is divided by 0. This is undefined. Any number divided by 0 is undefined in mathematics. So this will be undefined. Next we have cosec 30 degrees. Now it is inverse of sine. Now sine 30 degrees is 1 by 2. So the inverse of 1 by 2 is 2, right? So this is 2. Cosec 30 degrees is 2. Next, let's come to cosec 45 degrees. Again, sine 45 degrees is 1 by root 2. So cosec will be root 2 by 1 or simply root 2. Now what about cosec 60 degrees? Inverse of sine 60 degrees. Sine 60 degrees is root 3 by 2. So inverse of it will be 2 by root 3. And now let's come to 1. Inverse of 1 is 1 itself. So cosec 90 degrees will be 1. So we have these values for cosec. Now let's come to sec. Sec is nothing but inverse value of cos. So sec 0 degrees is inverse of cos 0 degrees. Cos 0 degree is 1. So inverse of 1 is 1 itself. So this is 1. Next we have sec 30 degrees. So cos 30 degrees is root 3 by 2. Inverse of it is 2 by root 3. Now sec 45 degrees. Cos 45 degrees is 1 by root 2. So inverse of that is root 2. Sec 60 degrees. Cos 60 degrees is 1 by 2. Inverse of that is 2 by 1 or 2. Now let's come to sec 90 degrees. Now cos 90 degrees is 0. Now inverse of 0 is 1 by 0. Now 1 by 0 is undefined as we know. So this will be undefined. So we have all the values for sec. Next come to cot. Now cot is the inverse of tan. That is, if we have tan 0 degrees is 0, then cot will be 1 by 0. Now 1 by 0 is undefined as we know. So this is undefined. Next we have cot 30 degrees. So tan 30 degrees is 1 by root 3. Its inverse will be root 3 by 1 or root 3. Next let's come to cot 45 degrees. So tan 45 degrees is 1. So inverse of 1 is 1 itself. Next we have cot 60 degrees. Now tan 60 degrees is root 3. So the inverse will be 1 by root 3. Now let's see cot 90 degrees. So we have tan 90 degrees as undefined because the value was 1 by 0, which is undefined. In the case of cot, it will be inverse of that, that is 0 by 1. 0 by 1 is 0. So we have all the values for cot. Now another important point to notice is that instead of calculating these values, you can also follow the same method which you had followed in the case of cos. So cos is simply sine in reverse order, right? Similarly, cot is nothing but tan in reverse order. So if you take this order, this is exactly this, isn't it? So you start from undefined, first value, then you get root 3, second value, then you have 1, this value here, then you have 1 by root 3 here, and then finally you have 0 here. So this is also a way in which you can complete this table. And similarly, even for cosec and sec, you can do the same. That is, for cosec, you have undefined 2, root 2, 2 by root 3 and 1. Now if you reverse this order, that is, if you start from here and you start writing here, that is 1, 1, 2 by root 3, 2 by root 3 here, root 2, then 2 comes here and undefined comes here. So sec is cosec in reverse order. So you can use all these tricks to complete the table, and once you have this table in front of you, then you can easily solve many problems related to trigonometric ratios. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.